What's up, Matt? Why? Raptors lost. Not a happy camper. Oh, the Sharks lost? No wonder my phone hasn't been ringing. Sharks fans tend to be quiet and not tweet at me when they lose. One was great, two were horrible, one was great. I didn't catch it. I was watching basketball all night. Sign of the times. Camilo Villegas. And one was a flubber. Cheyenne Woods. Sign of the times. Jones lost the game for himself, huh? Michelle Lee. Melissa Reed, 657 of 699. That was it, 1232. What's up, Lee? How you been? Welcome back. And that was a box. Melissa Reed, Camilo Villegas, and Cheyenne Woods in that box.